You're coming out of a store in the middle of a snowstorm, and now you're walking to your car in the parking lot, and you see that the owner of the store or someone on his behalf is salting the driveway. He's salting the parking lot. And now as you get closer to your car, you slip and fall on a patch that's not salted or sanded. Do you have the ability to bring a lawsuit and obtain compensation for the injuries that you just suffered? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. It's wintertime here in New York. We just had a massive snowstorm. They called it a blizzard. And now the question arises. The owner of the store or the parking lot is out there in the middle of the storm plowing the driveway, plowing the parking lot, putting salt down, putting sand down. And now, as you're going to your car, you slip and fall on a patch that's slippery. You suffer significant injury. Maybe you break your leg, your femur, you need surgery, and you're incapacitated. Can you bring a lawsuit against the property owner and the person who's putting out the salt, the sand, and plowing that particular area? The answer is you can bring a lawsuit. But here's the problem. In order to be successful in this type of slip and fall case during the course of a storm, the owner, the property owner, the person who's clearing that, had to have known that that area was dangerous and that they weren't taking action to fix that problem. And they have to have had sufficient time in which to recognize, hey, we're going to get to it. We know it's there. We know the problem's there. And now in the interim, you come by, go to your car, you slip and fall, suffer injury. Is the property owner going to be held responsible for your injuries? The answer is maybe. It depends a lot on what's going on at the time of the storm. What's happening? Are they doing it actively as the snow is coming down? Was there a prior snow? Is there ice on the ground? Had they salted or sanded before? All those things have to be determined and evaluated. Did they plow the driveway? Did they plow the parking lot before? Was it plowed correctly or was it carelessly done? All of those things need to be evaluated and analyzed to determine whether or not they did their job properly initially and whether or not they had sufficient time to recognize that there were areas of the driveway or parking lot that were not successfully plowed or salted or sanded. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.